After watching this video you will be able to understand types of fishing poles. Fishing is a classified sport, and a popular one, at that. Apart from the serenity that comes with fishing, there's also that challenge and thrill of catching game. But above all that, fishing makes for an excellent survival skill. Before having more information about types of fishing poles, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Different types of fishing poles. Types of fishing poles according to material. Bamboo fishing poles. Bamboo fishing rods became popular in the mid-19th century thanks to their elasticity and pliability. They were, and still are, a favorite among seasoned anglers due to their unique and solid feel. Fiberglass fishing poles. Fiberglass fishing poles are beginner-friendly for many reasons. 1. Its price is entry-level, which is attractive for newbie anglers. 2. It's durable, flexible, and multifunctional. And 3. It's very comfortable to cast. Graphite fishing poles. Graphite fishing rods, also called carbon fiber, is constructed from carbon fiber fabric infused with resin. They are a relatively new material compared to fiberglass and bamboo. Composite fishing poles. Composite rods are a mix of graphite, fiberglass, and other fibers. Because of this combination, their functionality falls somewhere in between. Major types of fishing poles by functionality. Spinning rods. Spinning rods are the most common type of fishing pole in the market. While they come in an assortment of sizes and materials, all spinning rods share a common feature: the reel rests underneath the rod, which gives the rod a natural feel while fishing. Casting rods. Unlike spinning rods, which point downward when they take a bite, casting rods start facing upwards. This mechanism may unsettle newbie anglers due to its unnatural feel, but it's actually a good process for maximizing the use of eyelets. Specialty rods. Specialty fishing poles are sort of niche rods. They are highly specialized and optimized for certain techniques. Some specialty rods include fly rods, ice rods, surf rods, and troll rods. All these rods vary in size and design. Rod and reel combos. There are rods you piece together with reels and tackles, and then there are the rod and reel combos. Basically, these fishing rods already come with their corresponding reel and tackle. General tips for beginners. Going on a hunt for your first fishing rod may be a daunting task, especially if you don't have a mentor to guide you. The important thing to remember, however, is always prioritizing what you think will work best for you budget-wise or technique-wise. Everyone has their own fishing style, and going by the book all the time can take the fun out of fishing. Types of fishing poles. Wrap up. Overall, fishing poles come in various shapes and sizes as different terrain and species call for different specialized rods. But the most important thing, whether you are a seasoned angler or a casual one, is to use the rod you are comfortable in. For more information about types of fishing poles, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.